What's up guys, you're watching the Stitch Show, and if you're new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is WS-115338-1. Unable to connect to the server. It's simply network error, and we are going to just fix this up, and I'm just going to show my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. We must go to the settings, and here is a user and account. Must check the login settings. Your PS console is logged in or not, our PSN account is logged in or not, set automatically, and then you must go to the network view PlayStation Network Services. If you get the red option, you just wait on it fixes up automatically. If the green, then the server is working up and good. You must contact the local internet provider to fix your local internet connection, or you set it on. Use a wired cable, go to the advanced settings and MTU setting, DNS settings. You can set it primary DNS and a secondary DNS. Which one is working good in your country, just put it back and connect with the new connection. So simply that's how you can fix this error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.